Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I animate these portals I bought from someone else to use for my time portals animation. With this knowledge, you will know how to keep it open, and close it for however long you want. I will also show you how I stay organized with the keyframes if you have multiple portals in the same animation. For this specific portal type, I will leave a link to it in the description. Let's get started. I will also leave a link to my brand new time portals animation below if you want to check that out as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and bring up the shader editor here. Maybe zoomed out for some of you, so go ahead and hit the home key to zoom in. And here you have your portal active and your noise offset. Go ahead and clear your keyframes if you have some in there and set them to 0. 0 keeps your portal closed and 1 keeps your portal open, and the in-between is what keeps it open and closed, or it's the transitioning between opening and closed. What you want to keep in mind is you need to start opening the portal early and then have it open and keep it open for however long you want and then close it. For my animation, I used 15 frames to open the portal, 30 to keep it open, and then another 15 to close it, but you can use whatever you like. So at frame 50, I will go ahead and insert a keyframe at 0. At frame 65, I will go ahead and insert a keyframe at 1. And hit I. At frame 95, I will go ahead and leave it at 1 and hit I. At frame 110, I will bring it down to 0 and hit I. And now you can see the portal gets up to 1, stays open, and then it goes down back to 0 and closes as it gets closer to 0. For noise offset, I will go back to frame 50, insert a keyframe at 0, go to the end of the animation at 110, bring this up to 2, and that is what normally works for me. So it opens, it stays open for 30 frames, and then closes. Again, whatever works for you. To easily remember the keyframes, I put them in the portal titles. So for example, these are the first two. These are the exact same, so they're pretty much the same, but I got portal F50 to 65 to 95, and then it closes at F110, and that is the first ones. And then if we go, like, say, the frame 190, where the first portal happens, we got portal F190, opens at 205, stays open at 240, closes F255. Portal F430 is when it starts open, 445 is when it stays open, 480 is how long it's going to stay open for, and then 495 is when it's going to close. So we can see for, like, the portal F190, it's going to open up until 205, stay open until frame 240, and then it's going to close at 255 with the same noise offset from 0 to 2. But yeah, make sure your values are cleared for each new portal you use and keep them in their own collection for ease of use. Hope this helps me in the future mostly, but also some of you. Bye now.